Okay, instead of taking my word for it, we're going to test just the heat circuit. 91.3 ohms. .9 ohms. This is the one that doesn't work. $2,462, 2,400 ohms. And this little dude, just for comparison, $88 and a little bit. Alright, we're set up here with some thermostat wire leads from essentially a doorbell transformer. It has different, let's see if we can see it here. We cannot. Eight volt, 16 volt, 24 volt. Three different ways to hook it up for different voltage. We're hooked up to 24 volt. I'll change the meter to voltage. We'll plug in our transformer, and we're going to check where our leads hook up. Auto AC 52.2. That can't be right. Alright, maybe it was DC. We'll try AC. There we go. 28.32. 28.4. Yeah, we just got to click. Maybe this thing's not shot. Okay. Switch over to ohms. The top stack is connected. The bottom stack is also connected. Alright. Unplug the thermostat. Transformer. Go back. In fact, it just clicked. Top stack is still connected. Still connected, still connected, still connected, still connected. Of course, the cool for the top was, let's see, 45 to 110 seconds. There we go, it just clicked off. Well, if this thing works, why are we going to tear it apart? But we're going to anyway. Alright, let's go back to what does it say? 5 and 4 are the top, 3 and 1 are the bottom. Alright. 3 and 1 are the bottom. 5 and 4 are heat 1 to 15. 1 and 3 are heat 20 to 45. The top makes first. Alright. We'll switch this to audible. Today, plug in the transformer. Transformer's plugged. Top stack's made. Get me out. Let's try the bottom. It's a different timing. Wait. Wait. I didn't hear a click, but it's now connected. Shazam! So we had two different timings. Bottom ones are connected. I've unplugged the transformer, let it at 1. Top ones are connected. Shazam. Letting the fan run while it cools down the heat package on top. Top stack normally, it's open. Normally connects the fan and one heat bank or none. Yeah, we'll switch back to ohms. Re-ohm. Now we're showing 33.3. 34. And it's warm, so it's going to be different. But if we come back to it in a while, it was showing 2,500 ohms. Now it's showing 45. And we're going to tear it apart, see how it does its two-stage timing anyway. Should have two discs with the heat element. One that makes the top, and a second that makes the bottom stack. 49. We'll let it go for a while, but it'll end up being probably close to 90 like the other ones. Now we're going to try and tear this thing apart. Busting it all to pieces. Of course it's going to bust all to pieces. We're tearing it apart. Alright, there's the clamps. Alright, there's the two rods that open and close the switches up top. And the bottom, yeah, there's two different snap discs. Can you hear it? And the other one, there's your heat element.